you for joining us. My name is Judy Peterson, and I will be guiding you through our online CAP system. Today we will discuss the endorsements. Endorsements are available for each of the coverages for commitments and certificates. First, we're going to look at endorsements that are available for lender first coverage on a commitment. The endorsements available for this coverage are listed with the most commonly requested first in bold type and the rest in alphabetical order. The fee for each endorsement, if any, is listed. The flag icon indicates that the endorsement will need underwriter approval. And if you just hover over the flag, you'll see that message. Clicking on the question mark icon will bring up a brief overview of the endorsement, instructions on how to complete the variable, which makes the endorsement unique to this transaction, any underwriting or document requirements, and the text of the endorsement. If the issuance of an endorsement requires that certain documents are gathered or recorded, requirement or exception language will be automatically added to Schedule B. For example, the location residential endorsement assures the lender that there's a house located on that lot. So a requirement is added to Schedule B, reminding the lender or closing company to gather the appropriate information. When selecting an endorsement, please select the revised version if both versions are available. For example, this endorsement here. The revised version is the most current version of the form, while the original version is available if a certificate must be issued to cover an older transaction. Select the endorsements you need. And then save changes, which puts them in the selected list. If you choose an endorsement that you don't need by mistake, you can remove it by using the trash can. Endorsements which don't require any edits will appear with a green check mark. If edits are needed, the red X appears, and you click on Edit to get into the endorsement itself. So this is the text of the endorsement. Your edit is going to be inserted into the paragraph where the word variable appears. And to add your edits, you use the variable box. For example, the encroachment endorsement references a paragraph number from Schedule B. In this situation, you'll need to complete the exceptions on Schedule B and then come back to the endorsement to perform the edits. And to save the endorsement, you'll click on Update. And let's look at the location endorsement. Although the location residential endorsement contains a variable, it displays with a green check mark because it auto-fills with that variable information. The property address is the unique variable with the location endorsement. As I mentioned earlier, endorsements are available for each of the coverages. Some are available only when the commitment's issued, for example, the gap coverage endorsement. Others are available only with the lender and owner certificates. Next, we're going to look at the endorsements available for lender first certificate coverage. Endorsements are reviewed and selected in the same way as is done with the commitment coverage. One endorsement that's available only with a certificate is the endorsement against loss lien. And this is used with a rapid certificate. For instructions on the completion of that endorsement, see the webinar titled Rapid Certificate. One of our newest endorsements is the assignment endorsement. This covers an assignee as the guaranteed on the certificate. And to complete this endorsement, you'll type the assignee's name as variable 1, and insert a description of the assignment, including the filing information, as variable 2, and describe any matters which may affect the validity of the assignment as variable 3. And remember, when you're in an endorsement, you can still click on that question mark to get your instructions on how to complete those variables. Endorsements are not often requested with owner coverage, but they are available. The issuance of most endorsements with owner coverage will require underwriter approval. One endorsement that's available only with owner certificates is the standard exception waiver endorsement. This endorsement is available if the buyer wants to waive one or more of the standard exceptions included on the owner's Schedule B. So to complete this endorsement, you'll enter the paragraph number or numbers of the exceptions to be waived. If you have any questions about any of our endorsements, be sure to contact an Iowa Title Guarantee underwriter.